amazed by the size and quantity of materials that our model 1890 XP, also known as the Intimidator, can chip. Wide 20 1/2 inch by 26 inch chipper opening, along with a highly productive feed system, allow this unit to process large diameter material up to 19 inches in capacity. The Model 1890 XPs are ideal for municipalities, tree services, and lot clearing contractors that are consistently chipping larger diameter material by doing full tree takedowns, light clearing, and high production chipping jobs. There are two versions of the 1890 XP offered, an 1890 Brute and 1890 Heavy Duty. The 1890 Brute features engine options ranging from 114 to 213 horsepower, while the 1890 Heavy Duty features larger engine options up to 250 horsepower. The Model 1890 XP comes equipped with a powerful dual horizontal feed system with 20-inch wide by 10 5/8 inch diameter feed wheels. Both wheels are equipped with 63.9 cubic inch hydraulic feed motors. Limmy hole trees are no match for this feed system, as the material is easily pulled and compressed into the chipper. Production is therefore substantially increased with reduced operator fatigue and limited chainsaw work. For added compressing and pulling power, two optional feed systems are available. For the 1890 Brute, a 32-inch wide feed wheel option is available that will allow the unit to effectively collapse limbs easier. The 1890 Heavy Duty can be equipped with the same high production feed system that can be found on the Bandit Model 1850 whole tree chipper. This chain-driven feed system features 32-inch wide feed wheels with a 15 3/4 inch diameter top feed wheel. This system will substantially increase pulling and compressing power for the contractor that is chipping large diameter material on a consistent basis. The 1890 XPs are equipped with a heavy-duty 64-inch wide fold-out hopper with a spring-loaded lift assist, making it easy to raise and lower the infeed hopper of the chipper. A solid infeed tray with a heavy-duty rim is also available as an option for efficiently folding limmy material into the feed system. The heart of the 1890 XP is the 37-inch diameter by 22-inch wide drum. Because of the 1890 XP's ability to chip large 19-inch diameter material, the chipping drum is extremely rugged. The 37-inch diameter drum is constructed with a thick drum skin and is built with cross-support baffles, with extra baffles at the pockets to provide the strength required to chip the large diameter wood that these machines will accommodate. There are 4 staggered reinforced knife pockets, each equipped with reversible knives that can be resharpened. The chipper shaft and bearings are extremely rugged, providing years of dependable service. The chipper shaft is 3 1/2 inches in diameter and features 2 15/16 inch pillow block mounted roller bearings. The 1890 XPs feature large capacity 40-gallon steel fuel tanks, along with 30-gallon steel hydraulic tanks. Both tanks are rubber shock mounted and have Rochester sight gauges. For those operations wanting a larger capacity tank, a 60-gallon fuel tank is available as an option. The 1890 XP Brute rides on a single 12,000-pound leaf spring axle with two 235/75R 17.5-inch tires, while the 1890 Heavy Duty comes equipped with tandem 7,000-pound Easy Lube Torflex axles. Electric, hydraulic, or air brake axle options are available depending on your towing vehicle or local transportation regulations. The Model 1890 XP has an extremely powerful chip throwing system and is a chipper that is commonly used to utilize tree and logging waste for fuel. Our patented power slot, positioned on the back side of the drum housing, increases airflow and all but eliminates the chance of plugging. There are numerous features and options that will make your Model 1890 more productive. One of the most popular options ordered on this unit includes a hydraulic winch. The winch virtually reduces nearly all manual labor associated with feeding the chipper, as it is powerful enough to pull full-length trees into the chipper with hardly any chainsaw work. This is a real back saver and will reduce operator fatigue. Another popular option for the larger tree removal contractor is a backhoe-style knuckle boom loader. This heavy-duty loader is a great option for feeding heavy material, tops, and piles of brush. All loader functions can be controlled via a swing-out operator's console with joystick controls. Bandit chippers are proven rugged, easy-to-use machines that provide years of dependable service. For additional information or to arrange a